Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu namhlanje. Bazala bamzitho, uthando nesithembu, indaba zasemzumbe. So bazala bam, uMakhwela will be getting paid just ukuyenza umsebenzi wakhe as unkosikazi kaMseleko. uMakhwela will be getting paid for ukuhlala emzumbe. So uMusa Mseleko, on today's episode he'll be letting amakhosikazi wakhe la amanye ukuthi azi ukuthi uMakhwela will be staying emzumbe, and yena ucele uMakhwela ukuthi ayeke umsebenzi wakhe uzomkhokhela for ukuhlala emzumbe. Mangwabe ubuzile ukuthi why mele azakhokhela uhlala emzumbe, because nathi kudala sihlala emzumbe kusho ukuthi we need to be back paid because sineminyaka sihlala emzumbe. Wathi uhlala emzumbe umsebenzi. Do I believe uMusa Mseleko 100%? No. You know, when we are older and dating a young girl, vele kuba nama insecurities there. You vele understand ukuthi oh yes umuntu amakazosebenza asebenzele kudeni nami kuzoba uzojona. Oh uMusa Mseleko zikukayi2. Oh uMusa Mseleko kuyekhisa uMakhwela umsebenzi because mhlambe bakafuna uMakhwela focus on ukukhulisa ingane yakhe and ukumezela ezinye ingane, because we know ukuthi uMusa Mseleko iphupho lakhe ukuba nengane eziyi20 now ngaphandle komaths. Umntana kaMakhwela bebayi10, so njoba sokhona maths sebayi11, at least Makhwela mangamnika 3 more uzoba ne14. Yabona zabo kungafani. Makhwela zabe sekazenzile nyana umzamo nyana, and i-age kaMakhwela yamvumela ukuthi angathola ezinye ingane eziyi3. She's still young, she's 26 years old, so makaqala reach abo 32 angabe sekazile ukwakha at least ukuthi athole ezinye ingane eziyi3 or 4 if iphupho lakhe la ukuthi abe nezinye ingane, because as much as guys uMusa Mseleko afuna ingane but akulelanga kuye ayi1 ukuthi athole lezo ingane. Is something that he needs to communicate namakhosikazi wakhe, and he needs to understand the struggle and the pain abantu besimame they go through when they are having ingane and when they are heavily pregnant. Nje when they are pregnant, as amanye ama reasons ayenza like uMangwabi angafuni kuba nezinye ingane is because uyasho ukuthi ingane yena noMusa Mseleko sezibalahlekele. I remember wathi ngathi zi5 or more, so you understand ukuthi uloku yapreg ulahlekelwa ingane, uloku yapreg ulahlekelwa ingane. That is not a nice feeling. Mhlambe ayifani kumadoda nabafazi, but I think judging from what uMusa Mseleko ayishilo kuMakhumalo, I think kuye it doesn't hit like it hits kubakhosikazi wakhe guys. So uMusa Mseleko ukutshela amakhosikazi wakhe that I feel like uMusa Mseleko makala ama-battles wakhe namanye amakhosikazi uuse another one of the wives kula ama-battles. I don't think there was the need ukuthi yena azatshela amakhosikazi ukuthi uMakhwela will be getting paid. I feel like ezinye zezinto esithembini izinto as a man wena kumele uzigcine kuwe. I don't think futhi ukuthi uMakhwela labantwana lamakhosikazi ayitshengisana ukuthi hayi mina for abantwana bami ngithola this much, mina for this ngithola this much, because I don't think it will be fair ukuthi bathola imali equal because idingo zabo is not equal. I'll make example before ningidla. Umangwabe unengane eziyi2 bese naye kunengane eziyi2 ezikaMusa unengane special kid. That means lo mntana udinga yabo ezinye izinto ezimo expensive. I think isikolo sakhe is more expensive than ezinye ingane. Everything like is more expensive than ezinye ingane, especially the time when she was young, because bekahlala gule, understand. So allowance amangwabe ayikwazi ukufana yakaMacele. Macele unengane eziyi3 ziningi zona ziyi3, but ingane zaMacele zilokhu ziyi3 zinjalo sezindala. You understand? So I don't think i-allowance kaManguyeni mina yabakhwela neyamacele kanjalo kumele ifane, because when you look at ingane zamacele sezikhulile. uMacele manje sekafana ukuthi unengane one, okay noLwandle because akakasebenzi as yet. You understand? Then uma yena ingane zakhe sesezincane, uMangwabi ingane zakhe sesezincane, uMakhwela ingane yakhe sesezincane. When it comes to uMakhumalo ingane yakhe seyikhulile, impilo sekakhulile, impilo sekazisebenzela. I don't think it will be fair ukuthi allowance abo ifane, but I feel like when maka provide like abo car and indlu, it needs to be fair, no unless njengoba Makhumalo umuntu uzozedela okwakhe anako esikhwameni. You understand? So I feel like ezinye zezinto it doesn't need to be communicated. I think to be communicated, and he knew what he was doing by telling amakhosikazi ukuthi uMakhwela will be getting paid ukuthi ahlale emzumbe. Ukuhlala emzumbe umsebenzi kanjani uhlala emzumbe? You know guys ukuthi uMakhwela do not have a problem noMakhwela, but I feel like uMusa Mseleko he was wrong ukuthi athi ukuhlala emzumbe umsebenzi. uMakhwela need to be paid for that. uMakhwela makayokotisa emzumbe njenga wonke amakhosikazi wayokotisa emzumbe. uMakhwela makahlala emzumbe akotisa emzumbe, then ke uzathina ngaleli la makasane inkinga lezi abanye ababenazo acele kuyokuphuma emzumbe ukuthi no ngicela uphuma ngaphansi kwalawa amabanga. But I don't feel like uMakhwela mele abhadala ukuhlala emzumbe. No, no yena bokumele mhlambe mabe ukhuluma indaba ye-allowance not futhi even the time and the place bekasho le nto le it was wrong. This thing if bayafuna ngisho mhlawumbe umele ayisho after sebalungisile konke okukhona emndenini then aba-understand ukuthi mhlawumbe i-allowance kamakhwela izoba yininganyana because akasasebenzi and yimi engithe ayeke umsebenzi wakhe not ukuthi ngoba uhlala emzumbe umususile ukuba student babumsele ku-study but-ke yena ngiyamthanda and I still feel like he's the best dad ey'nganeni zakhe and kubo bonke abanye abayeni or mina kula madoda engike ngawabona abafazi bahlala bakhala la on the socials. I think he's better than laba abanye abantu so ukuthi laba abanye abantu indaba zabo azikho out there. He's better shemena, he's a trying man and obviously ngeke azafane nendoda enomkhosikazi oba namakhosikazi ayi-5 this man. He's a trying man, he is a trying man and he is the best dad to abantwana bakhe. But bazalwane bami, you can comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.